You crushed your workout, but now your muscles feel stiff, and every move reminds you of yesterday's effort. Post-workout tightness isn't just uncomfortable, it can also hinder your recovery and limit your range of motion. Left unchecked, this tightness can lead to muscle imbalances and even injury over time. But what if there was a way to bounce back faster while improving your flexibility and reducing soreness? The secret lies in stretching, a simple yet powerful tool that not only eases tightness but also enhances your overall performance. Incorporating the right stretches into your cool-down routine can make all the difference in how you feel the next day. The problem: why post-workout tightness happens. When you exercise, your muscles contract and shorten during movements. Without proper stretching, they can remain tight, leading to discomfort and a restricted range of motion. Additionally, lactic acid buildup and micro tears from intense workouts can cause soreness, making it harder to stay consistent with your fitness goals. The solution: stretches to recover and improve flexibility fast. Here are the best stretches to target those tight muscles and keep you feeling your best. 1. Standing forward, fold hamstrings and lower back. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly bend at the hips and reach for your toes or as far as you can. Hold for 20-30 seconds, feeling a stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. 2. Child's pose, spine and hips. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward. Relax your chest towards the ground and breathe deeply. Hold for 30 seconds to release tension in your lower back and hips. 3. Lunge with spinal twist, hip flexors and spine. Step 1 foot forward into a lunge position. Place the opposite hand on the ground and twist your torso, reaching the other arm towards the ceiling. Hold for 20 seconds on each side to open up your hips and stretch your spine. 4. Seated butterfly, stretch inner thighs and groin. Sit on the ground, bring the soles of your feet together, and let your knees drop to the sides. Lean forward slightly to deepen the stretch. Hold for 30 seconds. 5. Cat-cow stretch, spinal flexibility. Start on your hands and knees, alternate between arching your back and rounding it. Do this for 1-2 minutes to loosen up your spine and improve mobility. Why these stretches work? These stretches target the muscles most affected by workouts, promoting blood flow, reducing soreness, and enhancing flexibility. When done regularly, they can help you recover faster and feel more energized for your next workout. Take action today. Don't let post-workout tightness slow you down. Dedicate just 10 minutes to these stretches after your session and experience the difference in your recovery and flexibility. Your body will thank you.